Get ready for a celestial spectacle that will leave you in awe. This weekend, the night sky will be painted with a rare blood moon during a total lunar eclipse on September 7th through 8th, offering photographers and sky watchers a breathtaking opportunity to witness and capture this mesmerizing event. But here's the twist. While the previous eclipse in March was a treat for the Americas, this one is all about Asia, Australia, Europe, and Africa. And this is the part most people miss. European viewers are in for a unique experience as the eclipse begins right at moonrise, creating a dramatic red moon ascending over the horizon. For those in the regions with clear skies, this event is not to be missed. Approximately 7.03 billion people will catch a glimpse of the eclipse, with 6.27 billion able to witness the entire blood moon phenomenon. If you're in North America, don't fret. Another chance is coming your way in March 2026. But for now, let's focus on this weekend's show. Here's the controversial part. While viewing a total lunar eclipse is safe for your eyes, capturing it perfectly on camera can be a challenge. The blood moon is notoriously dim, making it tricky to achieve sharp, detailed photos. However, with the right equipment and techniques, you can create stunning images. A camera, lens, and tripod are your essential tools, but the real question is, do you go for a close-up or a wide-angle shot? For close-ups, a telephoto lens of at least 200 millimeters, 35 millimeter equivalent, is recommended. But this requires faster shutter speeds and potentially higher ISO settings. Wide-angle shots, on the other hand, demand careful composition but can be more forgiving. Which approach will you choose and why? The totality of this eclipse lasts an impressive 82 minutes, starting at 1730 UTC and ending at 1852 UTC, giving you ample time to experiment with different photography techniques. If you're in a far northern region, you might even get the chance to capture the eclipse alongside an aurora, a truly once-in-a-lifetime shot. For those in Europe, the moon will rise in its dark red glory at 7:30 p.m. BST on Sunday in London, marking the beginning of totality. While this means European viewers will see less of the entire eclipse, the sight of a red moon rising is undeniably special. To help you prepare, Antoni Cladera of PhotoPills wrote a comprehensive guide to photographing a total lunar eclipse in 2021, which, despite outdated eclipse details, remains a treasure trove of timeless photography tips. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, this guide is a must-read. So, as you gear up for this weekend's blood moon, ask yourself, are you ready to capture the magic of the night sky? And for those who manage to snap the perfect shot, will you be one of the lucky few to pair it with the ethereal glow of an aurora? The stage is set and the sky is calling. Don't miss the celestial masterpiece.